play it back again. Bossy blank them. Tell them this a yard man anthem. We are come from 1 back to 10. Pull up that, play it back again. So the bossy blank them. Everybody know how the thing been. Select them. I ain't playing with you.
Alright guys, so just take a view of the road as I drive towards where the river is. Guys, the black part that you see in the video is the tinting of the car, and the angle that I have my phone stand in, I cannot get it better than that when I'm using my back camera. So that's the Maggotty hydrant. Yes, that's water. That's water. Yeah. I cannot get the angle better than that. So we're in Maggotty. Driving towards the location. Let's hope they will allow us to access the place, or to have access to the place that we're going. As soon as I stop, I'll probably, we can't get rid of the phone from shaking. We can't get rid of it. Right. Trey. Gonna make a turn here. Trey, me a record. You can't do that. Stop. Okay guys, so I spoke to one of the persons that are in charge of the property, and guys, this is not a hidden river. Don't get it twisted. This is not a hidden river, guys. You actually have to pay to come. But anyways, they say you might have to make one reservation. You can make a reservation before you come here. So that is it. You call and make a reservation before you come here. So that is it. They'll provide food, all of that stuff before you come. Guys, it's a private property, and this river is located in Breadnut Valley. So you actually have to call to make a reservation, and you pay a little small fee, you know. It's not much. They also have a trip that's coming in today, so you can actually get food over here. So too, that's how we're going to go down there. That's cool. You can pay to have access to their room, so I think you can stay overnight. So that's the room up there, the gray building. Yeah, so it actually has a beautiful falls. Look at the water, guys. Blue and pretty. This is pretty. Ooh, man, this water feels good. So look at that. I'm here with Trey. Look. So it runs all the way around here, guys. So if I had known, I would have worn shorts. Because if me did wear shorts, I could have been going to the water. So, wow! Throw one more. Throw one more. So guys, we're going up the hill.
These pills are not for you.
We're going to see if we find the next
You go up
spot.
one and then you go to the next one. But
So
let me tell you something. You cannot
me and my tree is going
if you don't
up
like
these
it.
hills
So come with
to
me.
locate the falls
Follow back on me.
that they have
Now
here.
you'll see the beautiful.
Let's go,
So guys,
go, go.
just come. This is the first part of the hill, and I will show you the second part. So let me tell you something. It's not like it's bumpy. It don't have a lot of stones. If I never had Trey, it would be much more free for me to go up the hill. But I have to be holding him. Trey did done wet already because I'm going at the water. So that was the first part of the hill. This is the second part of the hill. Right
So
here.
we're going up the
So
hill.
this is it, guys. So
We're
this
going
is
up the hill.
second section of the hill. So once you
going up the
complete this
hill.
part of the hill, we're through. Alright guys, let me give you a little rundown. So yeah, there are actually two parts to this beautiful estate. The part where you see me coming up the hill, it's like two different parts of hill. So this is where the actually beauty starts. You think so down at the bottom of the river pretty? You want to see up at the top. So that is where we're going now to show you guys what it's like. Guys, it was like so peaceful when I came up at the top and see that we actually have these beautiful rivers hidden in our parish that we do not know about. Guys, we never know say that pretty river here was located here. I knew about the bottom part down there because we used to come to party here before, so I knew about that part, but literally I did not know about this part at the top. Guys, it is so peaceful. I wish I had came here by myself or with somebody who could swim so they could actually go test the waters for us, but I had my baby so I couldn't do much. And on this part it was kind of scary for him because it was just like a little track going down, so it seemed scary for me also because what if him drop? Me couldn't manage to do nothing. You understand me?
In Breadnut Valley here, I've counted around 5 set of falls. You want to go back? You want to go back? 5 falls. Hold on. So this is the biggest one. So that the guy was telling me that the bigger ones are stand up here. So the guy was telling me that the bigger ones are up the hill, and that's it. Up here big, you know. Up here big. Up here is really big, and this is a hill. This is on the hillside. So when you come up the hill, it is really flat, very flat. I don't know if when you go up the other part of the hill, there are more in the hill. But you can imagine rivers and streams hidden in the hills.
So on a boring day when you have nothing to do, this is the perfect chill spot on a Saturday. Especially on a Saturday afternoon when you finish taking care of household stuffs. You can just come here and you can carry a little towel, spread it out, have a little brunch, do some picnic. Guys, this was us. We were leaving. So as you can see, we're exiting the place. I was looking to see if I could find the guy to tell him thank you so much for allowing me to, to just take a little bit of clips on the place. So guys, this is the completion of the estate. I hope that you will visit here in the future.
So let's exit the estate.